Yeah, good day everyone. This is Jigboman speaking from Enugu State. My own people, I want to thank everybody because 1st of September was my birthday and I saw all your wishes. Some of you sent me some gifts and I'm so much happy about it. Okay, my people, let's go into the business of the day because for me, business is always in my mind. I always find a way to sell my product, which is Jigbo. So right now I want to talk about the Jigboman WhatsApp group, which every month, first day, second day to third day of the month, you are allowed to post your products. I just want to tell you that the Jigboman WhatsApp group, I saw what you guys are posting. Some of you are posting their handworks. Some of you are posting their business. And I'm so much happy about that. Knowing very well that our people have so much things, so much good things in stock, so much good business. So that is the reason why we created this opportunity for every businessman in that Jigboman platform, so that you can have the opportunity to tell people more about your business. Because once you tell people about your business, that is where you get more customers. I'm so glad to see many of you. Some of you are mechanics, some of you are plumbers, electricians. Look at your gift. You have a wonderful gift. So I want to use this opportunity, that platform called Jigboman platform. I want to use it to tell people what you are able to do. I want to thank you for your patience because within these 3 days, it has been a very busy place, but you guys have that patience. Please forgive us if we are disturbing your phone. That is your own contribution to make Jigboman grow. And please remember, my main reason for this is for me to sell my business and also for you to sell your own business. That's my main reason of allowing you partaking in Jigboman WhatsApp group. Okay, my people, the Jigboman Market Day will start today, which is 3rd of September. Please do not post any of your products. So we are going back to our usual business, which is Jigbo business. Remember that this market day will continue next month, which is 1st and 2nd to 3rd of every month. So kindly prepare your business and the other posts you will do for next month. I want to use this opportunity to thank you all, greet you all, and say may the Lord bless you all for your kindness, your messages, your blessings, and I pray that we will excel together. We will excel together. Amen. Nke a bụ nke anyị, Jigbo. Nke a bụ nke anyị, Jigbo live, abacha sharp.